All right, today I am creating gift baskets for teens, and I'm using an unusual item. I wasn't really sure how this was going to come out, so stick around and let's see what happens, okay? The first thing we're going to do is get this container together. So I have a box that I've already gift wrapped, and I'm going to use this plate to put in the back here, okay? This tray, because I need a backer. And we I'm gonna stand up. We have this is yes, we have this funny little bird here. Okay, I wasn't sure about this bird here. Okay, let me see how this looks so far. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give him a cup, and we have some body wash. I'll put that right here. Okay. And then we have some Epsom salt, and we're going to put that right here. Okay. And then I have some Jello socks. Got a shred on it. Okay. We have some Jello socks, and I've already put a little ribbon on there. And we're going to put that right here. And I also have some Jello candy. So we're going to put that right here. Okay. And then, we have a loofah. I don't think I'm going to give the loofah. Okay, I don't think I'm going to give the loofah. I think we're going to do this. Are we going to do this? Or are we going to do this? We're going to do that. Let me put a little bit of tissue paper right there. Okay. That's better. Okay, that is better. He's a little lopsided. Yeah, okay. Crazy bird gift. I guess that's what you want to call it. I still got the tag on there. And it has the to and from. Price tag is removed. Okay. So now I'm going to add some shred. I have all these little strings. Let's see here. Right there. Sorry about that. I was in thinking mode. Okay. So now let's use some glue dots. Okay. Then we won't need that many. Isn't that nice? Gotta put one on there though. That don't. There we go. I actually need to turn that a little bit so you can see. There we go. All right. Let me see if you can see. And you can. What do you think? You like that? Do you like that? That's one. Okay. That is one. Let me show you the next one. This box, I've already gone ahead, wrapped this, and put the little Be Mine on the front of there. And we're going to start with this backpack. And I've already stuffed it with some paper. Okay. So that's going to be in the back. And then we have to remove the tag. Okay. And then we have this cute little bear. All right. And this is going to go right here. This one is not for a teen. It says mom on there. Okay. So a younger mom. Okay. I'm going to put those slippers there. And then we have some body wash. So we're going to put that. And let me see. How do we want to do that? Let's figure that out. Like this. Okay. And then we have a bath sponge. We're going to put that right here. Actually, we're going to put the bath sponge right here. And then we are going to take these cleansing cloths and we're going to put them right here. And we have this picture frame, okay? So this picture frame is going to go right here. But first, we're going to put some tissue paper in here. Yes, we are. Right there like that. And then I'm going to put that back together like that. And then we're going to put this right here just like that. And then we have a donut bath bomb. So we're going to add that right here. Okay? That is that. And now we need, because you know we got to put a hand sanitizer in there. So I'm actually going to glue dot slippers. Yes, I did. And then I'm going to glue dot. Before I do that, I need some more paper. Right here. Just like that. Okay? And then I'm actually going to glue dot that there. Is that going to work? Probably not. Oh, it works to that. Okay. And that, yes, that looks cute. That looks cute. Let's see here. Just in the gaps, okay? Whoa, that's a big old spot right there, huh? Woo, no. Mm. Here we go. Let's see if you can see it. Yes. All right. I like this one too. I like this one too. So I'm looking forward to hearing what you think about this as well. And let's move on to the next one. So this next one actually is not a teen gift. And I have already put it together. But I had to show you what I am working with. Okay. Woo. Mm. And here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. All right. This one is a 360. Yes. So this has my handmade soap. It has two champagne flutes. It has some chocolate. It has a bottle of the sparkling cider with a label that I put on it that says "Be My Valentine." And this is one of those the decor that I make, the cement decor that looks like a lady's face. You can put things inside of that. And then we have some bath bombs, this beautiful mirror. And on the other side, we have a teddy bear body spray, this beautiful jewelry holder, and one of my journals. Okay, and I went ahead and put in a Valentine's voucher to top it off. What do you think, guys? Do you like this? You liked it? This excited me. This I love gifts like this. It truly excited me. I'm getting the ribbon, the bow. So this is the bow. This is the bow. I don't know if you can see it. This is the bow. It's doing a lot because it's a 360. This is it. I cannot wait to hear what you think about these gifts. Okay? I want to hear what you got to say. Okay? What do you think? Do you think I did too much with this? Do you think I did? I put tulle down at the bottom down here, and I have some silk roses in here, some pretty roses, some pretty pink ones. Did I? Did I do a good job? What do you think? I'm looking forward to hearing it. And then also, these two teen gifts. Uh, this one right here. I really wasn't sure about this bird. I really wasn't sure about this bird. But I think this is cute. Tell me what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos. And until next time, bye. Thank you so much for watching.